Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SurveyMonkey AI for analyzing survey responses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify SurveyMonkey AI for analyzing survey responses, begin by navigating to the SurveyMonkey website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the survey for which you wish to analyze responses. Click on the Analyze tab at the top of the page. You will see a summary of responses displayed on your screen. To utilize the AI features, look for the AI Insights option within the Analysis tools. Click on AI Insights to enable the automated analysis tools. The AI will begin processing the data from your survey responses. Wait a few moments for the AI to generate insights and summaries. Once processing is complete, review the generated insights displayed on your screen. Check the Key Findings section for highlights of significant trends or patterns. If you want to delve deeper, explore the suggested follow-up actions provided by the AI. You may also use filters to refine the analysis based on demographics or other criteria. Consider downloading a report if the insights are useful for further presentation. To verify the accuracy of the AI insights, cross-reference a selection of responses manually. Look for any discrepancies or inconsistencies in the AI-generated analysis. Make note of findings that require additional clarification or investigation. If necessary, adjust your survey questions or the way data is collected for future surveys. Keep track of which insights were accurate and which ones were not for your records. This process will help enhance the quality of future analyses using SurveyMonkey AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.